Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. It's a Christmas time, so I would love to take a moment and wish all of you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This year, Toyota Maintenance community grew over 100,000 subscribers, which means we got a lot of new friends. As a thank you, we have a little giveaway. We have this magnetic work light which I use at my shop all day long. So whoever is the first to answer down in the comments what is my super power food which we keep bringing up on this channel will win this super awesome light. We will get in touch with you and send it to your address. So thank you for all your support, views and comments on the channel. Happy holidays!